want to check this channel on social media and website, it is earning between
$1,000 to $26,000 in just 6 months.
An interesting part of this channel is that it was launched just 6 months ago, and these types of videos have gained millions of views, such as 6.5 million and
4 million.
You can check the subscribers and videos as well as
Monetization status.
you will see that the videos on this channel getting millions of views. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create guess the word by emoji videos in just a few minutes. I will guide you through the process of making these videos quickly and easily. I promise, even if you are beginner, by the end of this video you will be able to make these videos effortlessly, quickly and easily. We will be using some simple and familiar tools for this tutorial. The tools we will need are Chatgpt, Canva, CapCut and some other AI tools. You can check out this channel named Quiz Bullets and see the total number of subscribers, which is 536,000. You can also see the total number of videos uploaded, which is 455. This channel is monetized and it was launched 1 year ago. The channel uploads guess the word by emoji videos, and these types of videos have gained millions of views, such as 6.5 million and 4 million. Similarly, you can watch another channel of this type named Monkey Quiz, which is also uploading guess the word by emoji videos. You can check the number of subscribers and total videos on this channel as well. An interesting part of this channel is that it was launched just 6 months ago and it is also monetized. If you scroll down, you can see that these videos have also received millions of views, such as 5 million views in just 3 months and 4 million views in 4 months, which are helping this channel to grow. If you want to check this channel on social media and website, you will see that it is earning between $1,000 to $26,000 in just 6 months. However, this website does not provide an accurate earning estimate. You can say that this channel is earning up to $5,000 or $6,000 monthly. Similarly, there is a third channel where you can check the subscribers and videos, as well as the monetization status. Likewise, if you scroll down, you will see that the videos on this channel are also getting millions of views. First, you need to go to the Canva website. Click on Create Design in the right side corner, and from the drop-down menu, select the video option. This will open a new tab. After that, you will see a blank template. Here, we need to design the video template. First, increase the duration of this design to 10 or 12 seconds. Now, we need to add a background video. For that, go to the element section and search for the keyword motion background in the search bar. Then select the videos from the video section. You will find many background videos. I want to add videos like these. So click on See All option in front of Magic Recommendation. You will find more videos. I'm adding this video, but you can add videos like these or any other type according to your preference. Now we need to add some text here. To do this, go to the text section and click on Add Heading. Type the sentence such as Guess the animal by emoji. If you want to create a video on something else, you can type that word here instead. For example, if you are making video about flags or countries, you would type those words here. However, since I want to create a video about animals, I will type the word animal. Now, change the font and color of this text according to your preference. After that, we need to give this text a background color. To do this, click on Effect section and add a background. You can add any color to this background. Now, we need to add numbers to this slide, such as slide 1, slide 2. To do this, first add a circle shape as a background and color it according to your design. Then add the number. For example, since this is the first slide, I will add the number 1. Next, we need to add a loading bar that will function as a timer. To create the loading bar, first add a rectangle shape to this slide and decrease its width. Set its color to white and add a black border to this shape. Then duplicate this rectangle shape, remove its border and add any color of your choice. Now place this shape on the top of the white shape and make it slightly smaller. Next, we need to add an animation effect to this loading bar. To do this, go to the anime section and select the wipe animation. The loading bar should perform its action from right to left. So add the left arrow Now you can check that our loading bar is functioning correctly. Now we need to create a question using emojis. At the end of each slide, and to display the answer of every question, we need to add an HD image. They represent the answer created from the combination of emojis. So first we need to add emojis. For example, I am adding a jelly emoji to the center of this slide. Now add a plus icon and give it any color you prefer. Next, add a fish emoji. You can see that our question is ready. Now we need to add the answer, which is jellyfish. So I am adding the photo of jellyfish and adding a border with any color to this photo. After this step, we need to add animations to all elements except loading bar to make the slide look very interesting and engaging. Finally, we need to adjust the timing of these elements. After this, we need to add sound effects. I think a timer sound effect would be good for loading bar. So type egg timer in the search bar and add this sound effect, adjusting its duration to match the loading bar. Similarly, we need to add a sound effect to the answer photo. Type ring bell idea sound effect in the search bar and add it. You can see that our first slide is ready. Now we need to create the second slide. First, duplicate the first slide and then add new elements. So our second slide is also ready. You can create additional slides in the same way. Now we need to download these slides. Click on the share button, tick download pages as separate files, and then click on download. The videos will start downloading. Next, we need to create a script for these videos. After creating the script, we will use it to generate an AI voiceover. To generate the script, you can use this prompt. First, copy this prompt and paste it into Chatgpt. Then click on the generate button. You can see that Chatgpt has created the script. However, if you notice, there are some symbols and instructions included in the script that need to be removed. You can simply type another prompt in Chatgpt to remove these instructions. Now, we need an AI generated voiceover. You can use 11 Lab to generate the voiceover, but if you want it for free, I am going to use another online tool called Filky AI. Simply go to the Filky AI website and to generate the voiceover, click on new file, select audio and click on submit button. Next, click the script option and paste the script we created earlier, then click submit button. You can see that the script is now added into the Filky AI software. Now, we need to select an AI voiceover artist. Choose the gender and language preferences. You will have options for both premium and free voiceovers based on your settings. You can select any voiceover artist here. I want to use the same voiceover artist. In the scene section, you can remove any unwanted words or scenes. After doing all this, download the voiceover. You can see that the downloading process has started. Now download this voiceover. Now we need to merge all the media files of this video. For this, I'm going to use CapCut PC software. In this folder, you can see some extra media files that I created based on the script in voiceover in Canva. You can easily create them from Canva. Now, import all these media files into CapCut. First, add the voiceover audio file to the timeline. Then add the video parts in a sequence according to the voiceover on the timeline. Adjust the duration of all these parts according to the voiceover. Now, we need a suitable free background music for this video. You can download it for free from the YouTube audio library. After downloading, add the music to the video and normalize its volume. Now, our video is ready. You can export it. After exporting, you can upload this video to your YouTube channel. However, before uploading, make sure to watch the video to ensure everything looks good. This step ensures that the final product meets your expectation before it goes live on your channel.
Welcome to Quiz World. Hey there, Quiz World fans. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Guess the Word by Emoji. Today we've got a fun challenge for you. Let's get started. Alright, here's your first emoji clue. Can you guess the animal? Take a good look at the emojis. Time's up. The answer is jellyfish. Did you get it right? Ready for the next one? Here it comes. Alright, time's up. The answer is monkey. Great job, everyone. Thanks for playing Guess the Word by Emoji with us. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments.